Here's the LEGO Dimensions base, model 0359. Now, if you plug it into USB power, does it glow pretty colors, or does it have to actually, you know, be connected to a device that runs it? Oh wait, did I see it? Let's see, turn off the lights. Ah, it knows. Alright, so a little less exciting that it doesn't let me make it glow just by plugging it in, but that's alright. Alright, there are snaps in the middle. We can check that now. You'll have to also get these additional snaps here. Okay, and then these seem pretty free. You have the center light post that comes right out. And this looks fairly standard typical. Looks like there's an entire NFC section here. One here, of course, and the one in the center. Go ahead and remove the flat flexes here. Now the middle board should just lift right out, or not. What? Those little wires on the bottom. We've got these extra little wires attaching them together, probably for ground, but it ruins the point of having flat flexes if they're just soldered together. You don't realize Xbox One is just X-Bone until you see it, do you? Yellow is ground, red is positive. See if we can make this a disco party. Alright, so we put positive on the positive here, and then on the other side of the resistor, I just killed that. Oh. Got your red, got your green, and you got your blue. Boop, 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 so here we are on the main board. This is our USB connector coming in, and it goes right over to this chip here. We can see it has its own clock, and if we follow that down, we've got our flat flex connector for the left side. Some switching transistors, probably. Little MOSFET drivers, we'll have to check. Little unpopulated area here, probably test. Some sort of production type thing. So you can have another switching element, some more resistors, capacitor, and then whatever the chip would be. Notice there's some via stitching for the ground plane here. Covered up by this white mask, but here are the actual tracks for the NFC. And the other side has the duplicated driver chips and the connector. And this chip here is an on semiconductor 14049UG. So this is just a hex inverter slash buffer. It's designed for low noise and some other fancy little things. So here we can see these, which are the same switching elements. We also have here's the year. We have these, the same switching element, but it looks like they go into the tracks for the NFC stuff. Alright, so by here is probably the driver for the NFC coil on the right side, and these are probably for driving the LEDs. I can tell I have the wrong data sheet for this part because I got a TO220 part. And that's not TO220. To make life easier, let's go ahead and remove the USB cable. So this last connection goes to Q16. So Q16 hooks to red because So I'm hooked up to the output of Q16, and we're going to the positive here. So that means we're going to the red pin and going through to the other side. And we can kind of go down the line. So here's Q17. Oh, I can't do it by. So here's Q17, Q17, and Q18, and then the next one over is actually our positive. Red, green, blue, positive is this one. And the last two we can only assume, or sorry, last three we can only assume have something to do with the, stop drawing, to do with the transmit thing. Cute. So they're actually using 0 ohm resistors as jumpers to get over to the other side. Because if we measure that, it's dead short. Because they need the track to go over here, go around. So we can measure where we are. There we go. So that's connected right to this part of the loop. Move this over. This is functionally the same spot. There's the other side of the loop. So we can go around the circle there. Overall, the plastic quality is quite high. I like the little front logo that I've now damaged, but it's a very cool little nameplate. You know, it's real Lego brick there. Base is good quality. Transparencies are nice. Overall, it's built rugged. It's built tough. All right. Oh, can't forget the dome thing. It's just so much Lego plastic. Really quite nice stuff. Hopefully enjoyed this senseless destruction. Probably messed up a few places, but you know, you'll be sure to let me know, won't you? Anyway, thanks for watching and see ya.